Are you a mobile notary looking to boost your earnings in minimal time? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate profit-boosting hacks for mobile notaries, so you can maximize your earnings and minimize your time investment. Let's get started. Hack 1. Optimize your schedule. By strategically planning your appointments, you can minimize travel time and maximize the number of signings you can complete in a day. Grouping appointments in the same area will save you time and energy, ultimately boosting your profits. Hack 2. Streamline your processes. Efficiency is key in the notary business. Implement technology tools and apps that allow you to automate repetitive tasks, such as document preparation and scheduling. By reducing manual effort, you'll have more time to focus on high-paying signings. Hack 3. Expand your services. Don't limit yourself to just notarizing documents. Consider offering additional services like loan signings or mobile document scanning. Diversifying your offerings can attract more clients and increase your income. Hack 4. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website and utilize social media to promote your services. Make it easy for clients to find you and book appointments online. Market yourself as the go-to mobile notary in your area, and watch your business flourish. Hack 5. Develop strategic partnerships. Collaborate with real estate agents, mortgage brokers, and other professionals in related industries. By establishing referral networks, you can tap into a constant stream of potential clients and increase your earning potential. By applying these profit-boosting hacks, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings as a mobile notary. Remember, time is money. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.